Right guys, welcome back. I'm back again. I got my HW 110. Yeah, HW 110 in action. Now we're gonna see what's really been happening. Right? Alright, so all them apples that you see there guys, they're all gonna get demolished. Absolutely demolished. If I can find a suitable place for my phone. Right. Now I've got six apples in the inner line, which is at the back of the garden there. I've got 4 apples in the line. Yeah. Now I want you guys to watch all of those apples. It's going to be fun to watch. Right, what a bitch. Sorry guys, I hit the chair, which made my phone fall over. There we have it, guys. There we have it. Now we're going to see how many apples. Let me just zoom out. Zoom out. That's it, Ant. Right. Now that's fucked. Look at that. You could probably open that up. Look. That. Broke. It's fucked. Anyway, I want to see how many apples we pierced in a line. Right, so we've gone through that one. Yeah, that one. It's gone through there and out the other side. This one, it's gone through and out the other side. This one, it's gone through and out the other side. Yeah, this one, it's gone through and it didn't quite get through. So it's gone through 1, 2, 3.5 apples. Right, because it didn't quite make it all the way through to the others. And I did blast a couple of shots at them, but it still didn't make it. Now it's obliterated all of these, so it's gone through. That's powerful, isn't it? It's gone through that one. Look at the cracks in that. I mean, look. So it's gone through that one. It went through here. It even went through a plastic tub, so it's a powerful gun. It went through that one, but look, look at the cracks and that. It's gone through there, through that one. Destroyed it, split it down the middle as well. It's also gone through that one, but it's slowed. The pellet's gone slowly. It's hit that. It's sort of made it out of there, and then it went in there. I'm going to break that up right and see exactly where it went. Right. So that means break the apple open and see where it went. Holding the phone at the same time is going to be a bit difficult. So, what we're going to do, sharp edge of the tin. Oh, we're going to half it. And we're just going to see exactly where they went. Now, there's the pellet. Right, so it's gone through there. That one, the pellet is in that bit there. Yep, there it is. There it is. There's the pellet to that one. Now the second part, the pellet went halfway through that apple. So yeah, I was right. So, and 3.5 apples that went through. As you can see, there's the rifling along the edge of the pellet. That's the rifling. Some more gun. Nice bit of rifling on there. But that's not a bad deal. 3.5 apples from that distance, about, I'd say that's about 20, 25 yards. That's about 25 yards from there. So yeah, 3.5 apples, I'm quite happy with that. 3.5 apples. I wonder a pumpkin. Now I wonder if it would go through a pumpkin and out the other side. 2 pumpkins. Might not actually, because a pumpkin's probably half of an apple thickness. A pumpkin thickness is probably that. That's probably a pumpkin thickness, if I can be honest. But other than that, it ain't touched the other 2 on the end. So I was expecting for it to smash through all of them, but it never. And bear in mind, they are quite large, so they're quite tough. And there we have it. Apple shooting once again. But look at that. Single apples. Now, we can see some kind of daylight. Oh, look, there we are. There's the daylight. That. See? There's the daylight. Through the apple, there's the daylight. Oh, well, that's the end of that. Right. There we have it. There we have it. Oh, 2 shots I took at that. Bang, bang. Bang, out there, boom. 2 shots to take that out. There's there's the apple. I love that gun. That gun is brilliant. Same again, it's actually split, that cleaned in half. Imagine. Now you can see that's where it blew out the back. So it's gone in through the front, going in, and blow out the back. That's the blast of the blow out the back. That's the way that works. Same again, as you see here, it goes through nicely at the front and it blows a lovely hole out the back. So it goes through there, nice and thin, yeah, and then it just blows a hole. Probably the same as with this apple. Yeah, the blow of it's not that good, but it's still cracked it everywhere, yeah, and still blew a hole. Same again, but it gets weaker as it's going through. And there we are, half of an apple pellet. You can see where it was, where it's brown. That's where the pellet hit, where it's just dying off now, isn't it? Yeah. So, and there we have it. Shooting apples challenge. How many can it go through? Now you know, the HW110 can go through 3.5 apples. So there you know. Anyway guys, I'm going to let you guys. I'm just about to have my dinner. And I will see you very shortly on the next video. Whatever I upload on my next video. And here we have it. My HW110. Look at that. And there we have it. I will see you very shortly. Bye for now. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back very soon. More interesting stuff. Sunday, I might be going ferreting. So keep watching and you'll see good videos. Bye for now.